When it comes to safety, these receivers also feature up to 3 camera inputs, and you can assign and tailor those camera inputs from the camera assignment menu. Let's take a look at our camera settings. Press the home key. Let's use our settings shortcut. Let's go down to input. From here, you can go into your front camera settings by pressing enter. You can turn your front camera on and off, and you can also control the front camera interruption. Whenever you shift the vehicle from reverse to forward, your front camera will automatically come on, and you can set the duration on which it displays on screen. You have an option for 5-second, 10-second, 15, and 20-second intervals, or you can have it turned completely off. Now, this is helpful when you're parallel parking a vehicle or you want to avoid an obstacle like a curb. On our rear camera setup, we can control the rear camera interruption. This automatically turns the rear camera on whenever you shift into reverse. We can also set and add our own parking guidelines. So let's take a look at what our parking guidelines allow us to adjust. By pressing enter, you can manipulate each one of these points and adjust those lines to fit the vehicle best. So let's move these lines down, adjust our point here, and adjust this line down as well. Now we have set our guidelines to show us where the caution zone is closest to the nearest vehicle and in the proper field of view. We can also control the volume level of the audio based on whether or not we're in reverse. So turning this on will actually mute the audio on the stereo system to help you better concentrate on parking and focus on what's on the display and viewed from your rear view camera. To set up a third camera input, you want to switch your AV in from AV in to camera setup here. That way, whenever you go into your home screen, we choose a camera displayed from our camera settings menu, and we can toggle from the top here to our AV input or our front camera. So let's turn the receiver around and take a look at all the connections and where everything goes. First, here you'll see you have your reverse input wire. That's what triggers the reverse camera to come on whenever your vehicle is in reverse. Here you'll see the connection for the front view camera, and here's our rear camera input, and the final camera input is shared with the AV in. Here you can assign the AV in to a camera input and utilize it as your third camera in.